Yep, that's me. And no, I definitely didn't plan on eating dirt today. I didn't expect the ride to turn out like that at all. But in that moment, I knew this ride was about to get interesting. All right, we're going to hit the Wile E Trail. This is definitely one of my favorites. It's a bomb all the way down. Let's go get this. And might have to slow down a little bit because there's ruts from the last storm still. But let's get it on. This top section always feels good. It speeds up right here, and then as the corners come in, it's nice and loose so you can keep speed. The trail drops fast, loose over hard pack, off-camber turns, and just enough speed to get you into trouble. I really love this section of the trail. You can pick up speed and you get to see on both sides of the mountain. It's extraordinarily beautiful. All right, here's where things went sideways. I came in too hot and the dirt was really loose from the storm, so my back tire slipped away. If you like watching me eat dirt, imagine what's coming next. Hit that like and subscribe button so you don't miss out on my next adventure. Here's those huge ruts from the last storm I was telling you about. It definitely slowed me down. Wile E Trail is a blast, but it'll bite if you're not ready. If you ride it, respect the speed and stay loose. More Southern California trails coming soon.